Welcome to Sunshine English.
Mom, can we talk?
Sure, honey.
Can we have a picnic this afternoon?
Sure. Where should we have it?
How about the lake?
That's a great idea.
What should we pack for lunch?
I can make chicken sandwiches and potato salad.
Yummy. I love chicken sandwiches and potato salad.
Tell your sisters about the picnic.
Okay. I think it is going to get hot later today.
That's good. It will be a good day for a swim in the lake.
I will tell Emma and Cindy to wear their swimsuits.
Don't forget to pack your life jackets too.
Okay. Will Sam be joining us?
Of course, your brother will be joining us. Where is he?
He is taking a nap on the couch.
Let's wake him up.
You can wake him up. I will get my sisters.
Let's do it. Sam, wake up. We are going to the lake.
Lucy, can you help me with breakfast?
Sure, Mom. Is someone coming over this morning?
Your grandparents are coming.
Oh, how nice. What are we making?
Pancakes, eggs, hash browns.
Yummy. That sounds delicious.
I hope so. Your grandfather has a big appetite. I hope there is enough food.
Mom, you always make too much food. It looks like a breakfast buffet every time they come over.
Should I make freshly squeezed orange juice?
That would be great. Do you know where the juicer is?
Yeah. It's on the top shelf of the pantry. Oh no.
What's wrong, Mom?
I am out of eggs. Tell your dad to go to the store and buy some eggs. I will start on the pancakes and hash browns.
Dad, Mom needs you to buy some eggs.
Jane, how was school today?
Mom, it was fun. I made a new friend.
That's nice. What's her name?
Her name is Rose.
Is she new to your school?
Yeah, she is a new student. She moved here 2 weeks ago. She's from Spain.
You have an aunt who lives in Spain.
I know. I like Spain. It's beautiful there. Rose and I have a lot in common. We both like drawing, playing with dolls, and eating pizza.
You should invite her over dinner.
Can we, Mom?
Sure. We can order pizza.
Maybe I will ask her if she can come over on Sunday.
Okay. Let's invite her parents too. We can get to know them.
That's a good idea. They don't have any friends here, yet.
Hello.
Hi, Sue.
Are you free for lunch today?
No, David is sick today. He could not go to school.
That's terrible. Is it a cold?
Yeah, I think so. He has a cough and a sore throat.
My son Sam was sick last week too. He missed 4 days of school.
Wow. I hope Sam is not sick that long.
There is a virus going around. We need to stay healthy too.
I know. I have been taking extra vitamin C to stay healthy.
Good idea. I think I will buy some today. Do you need anything at the store?
Yeah, I do. I could not go to the store because I did not want to leave Sam alone.
I understand. What do you need?
Can you please buy me a whole chicken? I want to make some chicken soup for Sam.
That's a great idea. I will drop it off on my way home.
Thank you so much. I will pay you back when you drop off the chicken.
Okay. I am leaving now. I will be at your house around 2 p.m.
Great, see you then. Don't forget to buy vitamin C.
Hi, Cindy. Did you get a new car?
Hi, Jane. No. This is a rental car. I was in an auto accident yesterday.
Are you okay?
Yeah. My back hurts a little, but luckily I was not seriously injured.
Did you go to the hospital?
Yeah. I went there this morning. The doctor took some x-rays. Nothing is serious. I just have some bruises.
I am glad you are okay. Was there another car involved?
Yeah. The other driver rear-ended me at a red light.
Wow. Is he or she okay?
Yeah. He seemed okay at the scene.
This could have been a serious accident.
I know. We were both lucky.
Where is your car? Is it getting fixed?
No. It's too damaged to be repaired. It's at the junkyard now.
That's terrible. But I am glad you are fine.
Yeah. You are right. Health is wealth.
If you love this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And watch this next video. I know you are gonna love it.